So the bed bar here, I painted it and need to get the paint off of it because the manual states that it needs to be clean before you install the bed knife. So I've taken the old bed knife off and now I need to put the new bed knife on. So I've installed most of the stuff already. I just need to install the bed bar and the rollers. So that's pretty well it for this one. So these were in pretty rough shape when I bought these, but I spent the money and got some new parts for them. Had to get this new roller. This piece is new. The side pieces are new because they were all rusty. There was basically minimal amount of parts that I was able to save. With the time that it was going to take to paint all the old parts and get all the rust off of them, I just decided to buy new parts. So I did not buy brand new complete cutting units. Those are like $2,000 a piece, so it'd be like $2,000, $4,000, $6,000. I decided that was going to be a little bit too much, so I'm just going to continue putting this together. And then once I get this all back together, I'll take these down to my guy to have them sharpened. And I'm looking forward to getting them back. He'll calibrate the height of cut for me. He'll kind of show me how to change the reel to bed knife and adjust the height of cut. So here's the bed knife that goes right here like this. Okay, and the bed knives are disposable. So you replace the bed knife. I replace mine about once every season, probably. Might get 2 seasons out of them. And they are fairly simple to change. I don't normally change them. I take my reel mower into a shop and they sharpen it, and I just have them change the bed knife when they're sharpening it. But with this mower, I am doing the full overhaul myself. Other than the sharpening, I am not going to do. So I'm going to install the bed knife myself, and I've done this on 2 of the other cutting units. And this is a very simple and easy process. I'm just putting the anti-seize on here like this, trying not to get it on the tapered portion of the screw, the underside, the screw head. Okay, put them in. So this is the 3rd and final cutting unit. I've already put together 2 of these, and they're getting faster and faster as I continue to do them. I don't know that I want to do this ever again. It was a good learning experience. If I had to do it again and I bought another mower, I would definitely do it myself again. I cannot even imagine how much it would have cost to have somebody do all of this work that I've done. Probably just be cheaper to end up buying a new cutting unit. So here's the last screw that goes in here. Okay. The service manual specifically says not to use a socket or an impact wrench on this. I'm just going to use this to just kind of tighten them down, finger tight, so I don't have to go like this. So I'm just going to put it on there like that. And just drive them down really slow, but not tight. I'm going to just drive them all down slow. So I've got all these finger tightened down. The manual says to start here and screw this one, and then this one, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's how they say you're supposed to tighten this. So if you have this machine, or you have like a greens mower, I would highly suggest downloading the service manual. Very useful. Tells you how to remove things, how to remove the reel, how to remove the bed knife, how to remove the bed bar. Super useful. And these are... So here I've got my front roller. And this is going to go on here like this. Get it to fit in there okay. So my roller is leaking, and it's really a pisser offer. So if you can see, got some oil right here. We've got some oil here. Looks to me like the seal right here, it's letting the oil out, and I just don't want that. It's seriously so freaking annoying. So now there's going to be oil constantly coming out of there all the time. What a pain in the neck. So there's 6 ounces of oil inside this roller, and that's what the manual called for. So that's what I did. I'm not sure why there's oil in there. but it's all just gonna leak out of there. And it's coming out right here. It's gear oil, 90 weight gear oil. And it really blows because that is going to just continue to leak out until it's completely gone. And that's gonna take a long time for it to leak out. And I tell you what, I do not feel like buying another brand new roller. So you can see I need to cut off about, oh, that much right there. See that? Pretty awesome. So once you get done with the sandpaper, you should just be able to, it should just thread right on. It's a little bit jaggedy, a little bit. It's not perfect, but it'll work good. So I need to turn this thing over. This cutting unit is extremely heavy. Wouldn't be surprised if this is 100 pounds or more. Oh! Smashed my finger, dang it. That hurt. So I'm not a big fan of that rattle can paint. I don't know that I would do that again. The rattle can paint, it scratches off really easily. It takes forever to dry. It's just not a great product. Pretty much think anybody could have told me that. But, you know, I just was interested in a quick fix. So that's what I went with, but it just wasn't a great, so the rattle can just wasn't fantastic. So that's it. That one's together. So one of the last things I've got to do is put the reel the bed knife adjusting screw in. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Holy crap. So now I've got to go do what I do best. Hunt for my tools and hunt for my parts. Could be anywhere in this garage. I've just got to go locate it. So as far as I know, I think this one is put back together. Hopefully it's somewhat proper. If it's not, I'll have my guy kind of fix it up for me. So once I get these things out of my hair off to get them sharpened, I'm going to start looking at the machine that's over there. I'm going to start with the motors that drive these cutting units, and then I'm going to start looking at the fuel lines, the hydraulic lines. I'm going to start looking. I do have a cylinder that is leaking. I don't know if it's a hydraulic line that's leaking or the cylinder itself. I might have to rebuild that. So I'm really happy that this project's kind of coming to a close. I got the one cutting unit there, got another cutting unit here, and then the last cutting unit I've got here. So those are ready to go and get sharpened. So that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. So here are my cutting units. They are ready to go to the sharpener, and they look good. I'm really happy with the way they turned out. This paint here on the roller is going to scratch off really quick and easy. But that's okay, because it's just going to come off on the lawn anyways. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. They basically look pretty much brand new. I did buy a lot of new parts on there, so that's kind of a given. But for the most part, I'm happy with the way they turned out. And I cannot wait to get them back from the sharpening. Now I can start working on the body of the mower and the engine and the hydraulic lines and all that stuff. So here they are. Just got my two Reelmaster mowers back from getting them sharpened. Got my 1600 there, got my 1000 over there, and I'm here selling this 1000 over here. So I'm selling this machine, and it's kind of a sad day for me because this is kind of where it all started for me. This is such an awesome mower, I tell you. If you're wanting to make your lawn look so freaking awesome, this machine, this Toro Reelmaster 1000, they're fairly easy to find, relatively I guess, but they are so fantastic. And so this is the machine, and I've got my 1600 over there, and here comes the dude for the mower itself. So we're gonna load him up and get this guy out of here. Sad day, I tell you, but you know, all good things come to an end.